Hello and welcome back. So far you have learned how to analyze the sales data from sales executive's point of view. You must be thinking how we never thought of target versus achievement analysis. That is because that particular analysis will require a lot of qualitative input, and that is what we don't have purely by looking at the numbers. And second, basically we are learning how to analyze the given data and arrive at certain interpretations to plan further. So let's now consider how we can analyze this data from sales manager's point of view. We are going to add one more field to our data sheet, and that is quarter, so that we can analyze quarterly trends. For that, we are going to use VLOOKUP function. And just refresh your memory of VLOOKUP function. We are going to create a reference table here which maps the month to a particular quarter. So first 3 months to quarter 1, next 3 to quarter 2, and so on. So let's write the VLOOKUP function. I'm going to click on FX and select VLOOKUP. Click OK. The lookup value is the month number. The table array is, let me pick the table array from here, which is this, and we need to make this table array an absolute reference. For that purpose, I'm going to select this range and press F4 on my keyboard. Index number is 2 because that's the next index we are going to pick from, and range lookup parameter is false because we need exact match of the month for the comparison purpose. And I'm going to click OK and double click on the fill handle so that the entire data sheet gets filled. Just to verify, I'm going to press Ctrl down arrow key to see that the formula is filled till the bottom of the data sheet. Pressing Ctrl up arrow key to go up, I will come to the pivot table, right click inside the range and click on refresh button so that the quarter field gets added to our pivot table. Now I'm going to remove the SE and month and bring in only quarter as our basic analysis of monthly numbers. So this gives us the top level analysis of the company in terms of quarterly performance. So if you are a sales director, then you will look at this first. And as we know that charts are one of the key elements of analysis, which gives you a bird's eye view of the situation and gives you quick trends of what is happening. We are going to use the charts option within pivot table. So you go to pivot table tools tab on top on the menu bar, click on analyze, and once you are inside the pivot table range, click on pivot chart, and let's select the bar chart, which is the most common one. I'm going to double click on it, and here you go. So we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and these are the sales trends. Here are the numbers in millions, and you can see that the company did very well in quarter 1 and the sales dipped in quarter 2, but then it picked up. So it's a good trend that after quarter 2 it did pick up. The situation seems to be good. As long as the company has achieved the target, this particular curve seems to be okay, although not the best option to have, but it has an increasing trend. So this is the first level of analysis of a sales director at company level or a sales head. I would like to re-emphasize here that all the data analysis must be done in conjunction with other factors which are related. For example, targets, customer conditions, market conditions, and the economy. However, having said that, at the end of the day, numbers is something that matters, and that is what is going to give your company either a profit or a loss. So that's why we are analyzing the real data, which is the actual performance of sales team. In the coming sessions, we are going to see how further we can drill down this analysis from sales manager's perspective.